Hello, Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, and welcome to another episode of What Law Says. What Law Says is a unique initiative by Rajan Kanwar Legal Advisors India LLP, by which we try to answer the queries of our NRI clients. I am Advocate Kanwar Chima and your host for today. Today's query is from one of our clients from New Jersey, USA. He has a property in Jalandhar, India, and he wants to know if he can sell the same without coming to India. Today's query is from one of our clients from New Jersey, USA. He wants to know if he can sell his property, which is situated in Jalandhar, India, without him coming down to India. The property is in his name and was willed to him by his grandfather. The property as of now stands registered in his name. He wants to sell the same, but he has problems coming down to India. The only question is whether he can sell his property in India and repatriate the funds to his country without coming down to India. I will answer this query in two parts. The first part is whether he can sell his property without coming to India, and the second part is whether he can repatriate the funds from the proceeds to the country of his origin. As far as the first part is concerned, he can definitely sell his property in India without coming to India. All he needs to do is execute a general power of attorney in the name of some person he trusts. The process of making the power of attorney can be had from our office. Once he executes this general power of attorney, then that person can actually represent him in all the forums in India and execute the sale deed on his behalf in India. Thus, as far as the first part is concerned, any NRI can definitely sell his property in India by simply executing a general power of attorney in the name of a person he knows and he can trust. Now we come to the second part, which says, can he repatriate the funds out of India without him being present in India? The answer is again yes. All he needs to do is have an NRO account in India. Now the next question is, can the NRI open an NRO account without coming to India? The answer is again yes. All the banks nowadays facilitate the opening of such NRO accounts online. So all he needs to do is open one NRO account in India online without coming to India, and he can repatriate all the funds from the proceeds to the country of his origin. So in a nutshell, not only can the NRI sell his property without coming to India, he can also repatriate the funds from the proceeds to the country of his origin without coming down to India. For further details on how to make a power of attorney in India or how to open an NRO account in India without coming to India, you are most welcome to contact our office and we will be delighted to help you with all your queries. I hope I have been able to answer this query of our NRI client. Signing off now and see you soon with another episode of What Law Says. Till then, do whatever you want to do, but try not to get involved in any litigation. And if any litigation is forced upon you, you know whom to call.